Mainly, it's about the absorption. So when you take a pill, it has to be processed and taken down your esophagus, broken down by your stomach, before it gets dispersed to the liver and to your intestines to get to the intended bloodstream and tissues where it's intended to work. So it takes a little bit of time for that. Whereas the cream, it's actually going right through the skin barrier and going right into the little blood vessels that are feeding the skin so that it gets into your bloodstream faster. However, it's still a once daily dose. The patch, however, is basically an adhesive patch that you place on the skin, and it's a time release product. So over the course of the day, the patch is delivering medication over that time period. Not every patient is a good candidate for every method of the HRT. So if you have had any problems with your digestion, if your absorption is slow, maybe you've had even a gastric bypass or a gastric sleeve, then a pill option might not be the best for you because your system is not going to process the pill as well as someone who's not had those issues. Some women do better with having a patch on because they might forget to take the cream at the same time every day. And so they might have more variability with their results. So they like the consistency of having a patch that's constantly delivering the medication while it's applied to the skin. However, I have some patients that also don't do well with adhesives. They might not be the best to use the patch. One of the other options might work better for them. There's no perfect method for every single woman out there. It's something that's catered uniquely for each patient and what you feel will fit into your lifestyle the best.